Hello viewers, you are highly welcome. Let's see how we are going to solve this problem here. This is logarithmic equation. We're going to solve log 16 base x minus 1 over 2 equals log 8 base x. So now here, let's see the nature of the solutions of this equation. First of all, this x, that means the domain of the solution. The x will always be positive. Okay, because when you look at the position of x here, this is base, so we cannot have negative base. So that is why x must be greater than 0, that is positive, and also this x cannot be 1. So it can be all other sets of set of positive integers, but except when x equals to 1. Okay, because this x cannot be 1 here. Good. So now let's see how we are going to do this. So now from the log, I can rewrite this equation. I send this to this side. Okay, so I'm going to be having log 16 base x, then I send this minus log 8 base x equals, then the half I'll take it to right hand side. I have 1 over 2. So now from there, the next thing I'm going to do is, so now from the law of logarithm, okay, you can see we have these are of the same basis. So therefore, we are going to apply this law that say log a minus log b is going to be log a over what? Over b. So now this subtraction will change towards division here. That's what we are going to use here. I'm going to have a log 16 divided by 8 base x, right? Then equals 1 over 2. So now what's the next thing we are going to do? So we are trying to write this in index form. Okay, that is, this x will raise to the right hand side. So we're going to be having x raised to power half, that is this will raise to this, then equals, we have 16 divided by 8 to be 2. Okay, good. So now from there, we want to get the value of x. We have 2 here. What can we do? So now we are going to multiply both sides, I mean the power, or I can rewrite this one as, this is like having root x from the law of indices equals what? Equals 2, which implies that if I should square the both sides, okay, you see this, we cancel the square roots. I'm going to be having x to be equals 2 raised to power 2 is 4. I have x to be equals to 4. So now the solution to this problem is what? Is 4. So now when you look at this x, now you can see that this x belongs to this set. It belongs to this set, that is when x is greater than 0, but it cannot be 1. So we can see that 4 is our solution to the problem. If you find the class very interesting, please kindly share this to your colleagues, follow, like, and comment on our video. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Can we solve this problem on this board? It's very simple. This is logarithmic equation. Don't look at the length of the equation. It is very simple. Now let's see what we're going to do. We have to solve log 1 over x squared plus log 1 over x plus log x plus log x squared plus log x cubed, then equals 6. So now here we cannot have our x to be, or x will always greater than 0, okay, because especially x cannot be 0 here because this will become undefined, right? So now let's see what we are going to do. So we're going to apply the laws of logarithm. So if you look at this, you can see that this is having a log of base 10 all through. Okay, if the base is not indicated, so automatically it is naturally base 10. Okay, so now we can use the law of logarithm that say log a, okay, then plus log b. So now when you look at this will be log a times b. That is the law, that is multiplication law. So we're going to use this, okay, here. So I'm going to be having log. Now I'm going to multiply everything. Okay, this will be 1 over x squared, then multiply by 1 over x, multiply by x, multiply by x squared, multiply by x3. Are you following? X to the power 3 then equals what? Equal to 6. So now from there, what are you going to do? You can see we have x squared here, we have x squared here. So this we cancel this we cancel this, right? So now from there, what do we have left? We have x to the power 3 here, right? So I'm going to be having log, then x to the power 3, then equals what? Equals to 6. So now from here, so we can see that the base here is what? Is 10, right? So now if the base is 10, I try to write this in index form, so that it's going to be x to the power 3 equals to 10 to the power 6, right? So if this is 10 to the power 6, what are you going to do? So I can simply write this to be x to the power 3 equals 10 to the power, this can be splitted as 2 times 3. So therefore this 3 here, we cancel this 3 here, right? Then I have the solution to be x equals 10 to the power 2, which is same thing as what? 100. So that is our solution. Do you enjoy the class? Thank you. If you like the class, kindly like, share, and comment. Then follow our Facebook page for more exciting videos. Bye bye. Yeah, will you tell me that this question is very hard? No, it's very simple. Okay, let's see how we are going to unlock the mysterious number of x. So now what's the value of x in this beautiful logarithmic equation? So now we have 1 over 2 log x to the power 7 over 100 plus log 100 over x squared minus log x equals 0. So now bear it in mind that x is greater than 0, and when they say x is greater than 0, it means the domain of x, so that is anything from 1 upward. Okay, you can have to infinity, you can have the solution of this around the the interval or within the interval. So now here, what are we going to do? And the reason why we cannot have x to be 0, you can see here, if x to be 0 here, everything will be 0. So, and that is, x cannot be 0 in logarithm like that. Now, so let's look at what we are going to do. So now here, I want to clear this fraction. I want to clear this 2 here. Okay, so what am I going to do? I'm going to multiply all through by 2. So that is what I can do to get rid of this, because if I multiply this one by 2 here, you can see these 2 we cancel these 2. Okay, and that's it. So we multiply through by 2, so we're going to have the equation to be log x to the power 7 then 100. Don't forget that we are multiplying by 2. We're going to be having 2 times log then 100 over x squared. Don't forget that. Then also, let me put the parentheses, then minus, don't forget we are multiplying by 2 log x, then equals, if you multiply 2 by 0, so you're still going to have 0. I believe you are following. Now the next thing is that, what are we going to do again? You can see the coefficient of this logarithm here is 1. So now let it be 1 here, let it be 1 here. Okay, so therefore we are going to have log x to the power 7 over 100. Don't forget, from the law of indices, these 2 here can come here to become the power. So this is going to be plus log 100 over x squared then to power 2. The same thing applicable here, minus log x to the power 2 equals what? Equals 0. I believe you are following. Now from here, the next thing we are going to do is, we are now going to apply the law of what? Of logarithm. You see that we have addition here, and don't forget that they are of the same base, so therefore we can apply the law, be it multiplication or division. But here we are going to apply multiplication for the first and the second term here. So this is going to be log x to the power 7 divided by 100, then multiply by, multiplication is dot 100, okay, divided by x squared. Don't forget that we have this power here. This is going to be like this, and this will be raised to power 4 because this square has already affected this and this. So 100 squared, then this will be x squared raised to power 2 again, so we're going to be having x to power 4. Then here is going to be division, okay, because it's minus x squared. Are you following? So now from there, the next thing we are going to do is we can see that here we see something common. So I can actually have it like log x to power 7 over 100 multiply by, this is going to give me 100, that's going to be 10,000, okay, because when you say 100 squared, we are going to be having 10,000, then divided by x to power 4. Now here, this, I can write this x squared as over 1, okay. So now multiply by 1 over x squared. So we try to flip this x squared over 1 because we change this division sign to negative to multiplication, then equals 0. So now the next thing we're going to do, you can see that here this 0, 100, this will cancel this here. We have 100 left here. So this is going to be log x to power 7 multiplied by x to power 4 multiplied by x to power 2. We are going to be having x to power 6, then multiply by 100. Okay, so now from there, so this implies that we are going to be having log x to power 7 divided by x to power 6. We are going to have x, so we're going to have 100x, then we have to be equal 0. So now from here, now don't forget that the base here is 10. I have 10 here. So now we can write this as 10 to power 0. Okay, so where we're going to be having this to be 100x equals 10 to power 0, 10 to power 0, right? Then we divide both sides by what? 100, 100. This we cancel this. So we are going to be having x to be 10 to the power 0 is what? Is 1, 1 over what? 100. So now this is the solution to the problem. Okay? So thank you so much for watching. If you like this class, kindly like, share, comment, and follow our Facebook page for more exciting videos. Bye. Hello everyone, you are highly welcome. Let's see how we are going to solve this problem here. You want to get the value of x, and this is just 4 steps problem. It's not hard. So now just stay focused and see what you are going to do. Now recall from the fact that says e to power ln a. So whatever you have this is e and ln is like they are enemies to each other. Okay, so therefore it means when they come up like this will cancel this. We are going to be having a, just have it like that, right? So whenever you have e ln a, you are going to be having a. So now we are going to be applying this fact here, okay, and this is what we're going to have. Let me fast forwarding to write this. So now applying this here, we're going to see that this e ln x, we are going to be having x. This, it means this x will come down. We have 3x. This will go minus 2. This will go, according to what I have here, multiply by 2x. That is, the 2x will come down, then plus 4e equals 0. So now from here, let's simplify this further. We have 3x minus 2 times 2. I have 4x plus 4e equals 0. Right? Then try to compare this. Okay, we're going to see that this is going to be minus x plus 4e equals 0. So now from here, you are looking for the value of x. So what am I going to do? So I'm going to be having, I send this to this side. This is going to be 4e equals x. So which shows that x is same thing as what? 4e. So we have x equals 4e. And that is the solution to the problem. Okay? If you find the class very interesting, please like, share, comment, and follow our Facebook page for more exciting videos. Bye-bye. Hello, good viewers. You are highly welcome. And let's see how we are going to solve this beautiful problem on the board. I believe some of you might be thinking, what kind of problem is this? Okay, I got it covered. So we're going to see how we can get the value of x in this long, equation. So now, how are we going to do? So now, what we are going to do is that I want you to follow me. The value of x we must get must be greater than 0. That is how to be what? It has to be positive. So now from there, permit me to write this. If you can recall from law of logarithm, so when you have log, ln is the same thing as log a b. This can be log a plus log b. So I'm going to be applying this here now. So I have ln, I can separate this to be ln 2 plus ln x, okay? Then we have plus ln s squared, okay? Then before that, this ln s squared, because I have this power here, this power can come down. I can have 2 ln what? 2 ln x. Then here I can have what? I can have minus ln. This is cube root, okay? It can turn to x to power 3, okay? Equals 1 plus ln 2, then minus. This one also can come down, okay? Because it's power, multiplying this, then we have ln x, then equals what? Okay? We have our equal sign here already. So now from there, the next thing we are going to do is, I can see that I have ln 2 plus ln x plus 2 ln x. Now this 1 over 3 will come down. We are going to be having minus 1 over 3. Then ln what? Ln x equals, okay, 1 plus ln 2. Minus times minus will give us plus 3 ln x. Are you following? So now from there, so what's the next thing we are going to do? So we can see that there are things that can be cancelled out here. Okay, so we have ln 2 here, I have ln 2 here. This, we cancel this, because if I subtract ln 2 from both sides, so it's going to be 0. So now also I have this place, I have here to be ln, I have ln x here, I have ln x here. So now ln x plus this can be 3 ln x minus 1 over 3 ln x, okay, equals 1 plus 3 ln x. Are you following now? So here, the next thing we are going to do is that I have 1 over 3 here. Can I divide or multiply through by 3 so that I can clear out this denominator 3? So now by doing that, I'm going to multiply everything by what? By 3. So this is going to be 3 times 3 ln x, okay, minus 3 into, I have 3 ln x equals 1. 3 multiplied by 1 plus 3 times 3 ln x. Okay, so now from there, I can have 3 times 3, I have 9 ln x. This we cancel this, I have minus ln x equals, I have 3 plus 9 ln x. So now from here, what do you think? You can see I have 9 ln x here and also have 9 ln x there. So it means this and this we cancel out. Okay, because if I take this to this side, I'm going to be having minus. Okay, so therefore from here I have minus ln x equals 3. So now what are we going to do here? What we are going to do here is that I can have this to be ln x equals, because of this minus, if I divide through by negative, okay, here I'm going to be having this place to be minus 3. Okay, am I doing the right thing? So now from there, we should know that here, whenever you have ln, the base is always what? Is always e. So therefore, taking this logarithm form to index form, this e is going to raise to the right hand side. So therefore, we are going to be having x to be equals e to power minus 3, or you can write this in index form as 1 over, where this negative will change to 1, e to power 3. So these are the value of x. We can add it to be e to power minus 3 or 1 over e to power 3, and that is the solution to the problem. If you find the class very interesting, kindly like, share, follow our Facebook page for more exciting videos. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye. You are highly welcome. Let's quickly solve this logarithmic equation. So it's very simple. So far this, the left hand side is in a fraction. I can rewrite this also to be 3 over 1. We have 5 plus log x. We'll be multiplying 1 here. 5 plus log x multiplying 1 is going to be 5 plus log x, then equals 3 is multiplying this. But now let's say 3 multiplying this, we are going to be having 9 minus 3 multiplying this minus 3 log s, right? So now from there, what are we going to do? We just try to collect the like term. So this one we come here, log x plus 3 log x equals, then we have 9 here, this 5 will come, we have minus 5, so log x plus 3 log s. So we are having 1 here, 1 log s plus this, so we are going to be having 4 log what? 4 log x equals, then here 9 minus 5 actually give us 4. So now you can see that we have something common here. We can divide through by 4. If you divide through by 4, 4 we cancel 4 here. We have log x equals 4 divided by 4 is what? Is 1. So now originally we should know that the base here is 10. So now writing this in exponential form, you can see that we are going to have, or you can write this one as, you know that log 10, that is base 10, will actually give us 1. So we can rewrite this one as this. So that's going to be log base 10, then this. So I can see that we have log base 10x, log base 10x. Automatically we are going to be having our x to be equals what? Equals 10. And that's the solution. Okay, that is implies that x equals to 10. Thank you so much for watching. If you find the class very beautiful and nice, kindly share this class to your colleagues so you can benefit from it. Bye bye. Hello viewers, another logarithmic equation. Log root x plus 4 minus log root x minus 4 equals log 12 minus log 4. This is very simple. So since we have division here, the bases here are the same, so we can use division logarithm. So it's going to be log, so we have just one root because we are looking at the division. So it's going to be x plus 4 divided by x minus 4, then equals, here also it's going to be division, okay, log, then 12 over 12 over 4, right? So now from there, what are we going to do? So we can see that this is log and this is log 10, okay, log 10. So it implies that everything here, x plus 4 over x minus 4 equals 12 over 4, which is 3, right? So now what are we going to do? So we are looking at the value of x, and the x is enclosed by this radical sign. So what we are going to do is we square the both sides. Square the both sides. Now squaring the both sides, so the square we actually cancel this. We have x plus 4 divided by x minus 4, then equals, we affect this one is going to be 9. So let's write it as 9 over 1. So now from there you do cross multiplication. So 9 is multiplying this, we are going to be having 9 times x, we have 9x, 9 times this, we have minus 36, equals 1 times x, I have x, then 1 times this, we have plus 4, right? And now from here, let's try to do this. We come here and this we go to the other side. So from here I have 9x minus x equals 4 plus what? 36, because this will go to this side, right? I'm going to be having 8x equals 4 plus 36, that's going to give me 40. I divide both sides by 8. Okay, so this we cancel this implies that x equals 5. That is 40 divided by 8 will give us 5. So x equals to 5 is the solution to the problem on the board. So kindly share, like, comment, and follow our Facebook page for more exciting videos. Thank you so much. Bye bye.